Hello friends, this is Paul with B&B Theaters. I'm here at the Kansas City Zoo. We're going to learn a little bit today about the animals featured in Disney's upcoming The Lion King. It's the Circle of Life Minute. Let's check it out.
My name is Cina. I am the cheetah and warthog keeper here at the Kansas City Zoo. Warthogs are primarily herbivores, so they will eat roots, they'll eat grass, berries. Bugs are not really the primary food source for them. Warthogs are known for the warts on their face. They're not actually general warts, they're actually just extra skin. It actually helps the males with protecting their face when they're fighting over females for breeding rights. To me, no, he's not really, he doesn't really have a big smell to like make other animals run away. Probably just other warthogs. They will coexist with other creatures. You'll actually have birds that they'll let ride on their back. They're called oxpeckers. And they'll eat the bugs off of their back to kind of help keep them clean.
Hey, special thanks to the Kansas City Zoo, and be sure to keep an eye out for more of these Circle of Life Minutes on our YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/BB Theaters, as well as all of our social media channels leading up to the release of The Lion King, which will be on screen at a B&B Theaters location near you on July 19th. Tickets on sale now at bbtheaters.com. Oh, and by the way, check out the link in the description below for how you can support the Kansas City Zoo's conservation efforts. Thank you, my friends. Enjoy the magic of the movies.